Hi, so I made this small tutorial because I've seen some people struggling creating the geological model for the geological study. So I decided to create one for Mount Kilimanjaro. So I've downloaded uh, a digital elevation model for Mount Kilimanjaro. I have downloaded it from search.earthdata.nasa.gov search, and it's actually a pretty good page with a lot of information from a lot of places that can be that can be very useful for any of your purposes. So I'm going to leave it uh, here, the Earth data search, and I'm going to go to my computer and upload the file. So the file is this style here of the shuttle radar topography mission. Okay, there it is, processing. Okay, so after it finishes processing, it will return the metadata of the file. You can then go to here to the geological model creation. So what you need to create the geological model are an EPSG integer code and the bounding box. You don't actually need to put them there. If you have some files, it will try to guess it for you. But right now, I'm going to use this file to geolocate the region I want. So I'll start by clicking on the file here in Add Digital Elevation Model. Okay, so this will add directly the digital elevation model, so I don't have to do it later. Okay, so I'm going here. I'm going to close up, close up, close up, close up, and there it is, Mount Kilimanjaro. The tile only covers the southern part of Mount Kilimanjaro, so I'm going to click in one of the points and then in another corner. Okay, so this is the bounding box for my model. The bounding box is in EPSG 4326 or WGS 84. So that's the most common system reference, geographic system reference. But it's discouraged to use it because what will happen if we use this this coordinate system is that we will have to is that it's in degrees. As it's in degrees, it does not combine too well with the topography, with meters, with cross section. So measuring angles, it's a bit fuzzy. So I didn't implement a way to convert them directly in that coordinate system. So let's see actually what would happen if we pick that coordinate system. We would give it submit. We would create an empty geology because we don't have a geological file. And when we open visualizations, we will see here that there is a really weird shape. It's because the horizontal coordinates are in degrees, but the vertical coordinates are in meters. So if we actually put this here, I guess with 5 it would be okay. Okay, this here, we would kind of see the model when we put the right exaggeration, but that's not what we want to do. So we'll close here, and we'll delete this model, delete, and do it again. Select it, go there, clicking one side, clicking another, and then go to select EPSG, and we're going to look for Tanzania. Okay, this is the ARC 1960 UTM 37S. This is for large, medium scale topographic mapping and engineering survey. Probably there are better EPSG codes for Tanzania, but this is the one that has Tanzania in the description. So I'm going to use it. Okay. And there, I still have the bounding box in WGS 84, so that's why I have this button here, Okay, there it is. So now I have the the bounding box in the EPSG code of Tanzania in the digital elevation model, and I go to submit. Okay, so when we go to visualization, we have to create a geology. Let's submit. This updates automatically, but I'm going to refresh to make it faster. Okay. Okay, now we're talking. However, it looks weird because it's like a transparent surface. That's because the geological unit we set for it was none. It's on a special unit, it means there is nothing assigned there. So I'm going to edit the geology. Select polygon operations, select geological unit, click on the map, other change unit. I'm going to put Kilimanjaro, and I'm going to pick a color, probably this granite here, and I'm going to say submit. Okay, close. I'm going to select that color, and then I'm going to save. Okay, so this updates automatically. We have to wait a few seconds. And there it is, the surface of Mount Kilimanjaro. Thank you for using Mapalomalia. If you get stuck anywhere, use the question marks on top of the tool you're using or send me an email. I'm sure I can help you. I will create a new blog post for translating your data to GeoTIFF for many formats in the next few days. Keep tuned.